Go my reading for sign of Aries for the next let's take 1 week. So what's to come for you guys? Okay, so here we go. So let's see what's coming up for Aries for the next 7 days. What's coming up for Aries for the next 7 days? All that Aries needs to know. First card we have for you is Six of Swords. Bottom card is Eight of Water, that is Eight of Cups, which tells me that you guys could be walking away from something that is causing you a lot of pain. Okay, it could be that you wanted this connection, but it did not lead anywhere, or it's not going to lead anywhere. So even though you're not wanting to walk away, you're still walking away, and it's causing you a lot of hurt. Okay, so that's something I see for now. So let's see what else is coming up for Aries for the next few days. We have another card that fell off. Just a second, please. We have Five of Earth in the reverse. So I do feel that for some of you, you have waited a lot of time for this person, a long time actually. Okay, and with the Temperance card, you could be waiting on a Sagittarius. For some of you, doesn't have to be, but could be, or it could be also a Earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, any sign. But I do feel that you have given it a lot of time. You waited, and you are finally deciding on walking away now. Whichever connection that you were a part of did not really have a firm ground to it, or it did not have a firm base as such. It wasn't built on something that could last long. Okay, so I believe that you already know about this and you're wanting to walk free or break free from it now. Even though it's causing you pain, you know that it's the right thing to do, and you're walking free because you feel that's what's going to bring you balance in life. That's what's going to bring peace in life. That's what's going to lead to healing. Okay, so give me one more card for what's to come for Aries for the next few days. With Three of Water, I do see you guys just wanting to spend time with friends, family, wanting to have a good time around people, wanting to let go of the past, wanting to just enjoy yourself. With King of Earth, you could also be focusing on your finances, just wanting to do what's right for you and what works best for you. Okay, so what else do you see coming up for Aries, please? Some of you could also meet a new person in the coming week. This could be a water sign. Doesn't have to be. It could be Pisces particularly. We have a second card, that's the Chariot. Could also be a Cancer. But I do see forward movement in your life. Okay, if you felt stuck for the past few days, I do see things moving forward in your life. You will finally be able to make a move forward in life. Okay, so that's something I see. So let's start with your reading. This was your energy spread so far, and that's what I got for you guys. So what's to come for Aries in terms of their soulmate relationships? Right now with Ace of Fire, I do feel like there is going to be a fresh new start in your life. With the Fool card, you could also be moving in a new direction altogether, and that could lead to something, new, something better, something happening, something very passionate. With the Fool card, the direction you're moving, it could lead to a new person in your life. Okay, so I do sense it. Okay, so Spirit, give me one card for what's the overall energy going to be like between Aries and their soulmate for the next few days. What's the overall energy going to be like between Aries and their soulmate for the next few days? We have Eight of Water, so you are walking away. This person could have kept you into a third party, because I said Three of Cups a lot, but I do feel that you are definitely walking away. You are done waiting. Okay, you did wait for a while, but you're done now. Okay, so in terms of Aries soulmates energy towards Aries now, Aries soulmates energy towards Aries, we have Seven of Fire in the reverse. This person was keeping a distance from you. This person was maintaining a distance from you. Give me one more card. Give me one more card for Aries soulmates energy towards Aries. But I do feel like this person is wanting to open up now. Okay, if this person kept their walls up, guards up, was not letting you in, I believe that they are wanting to open up that now. Okay, so they'll be a lot more available to you. That's what shows here. With the Chariot card, yes, this person is very much wanting to make a forward moment. Okay, this could be a new person, past person, but I do say that this person in the past could have had their walls up, guards up, wasn't really available as such. Okay, in terms of their feelings, one card for their feelings towards you. In terms of feelings, we have the Tower card. This person could be going through a lot of ups and downs when it comes to their feelings. Some days they feel like they do have feelings for you, some days they are just fine without you. Okay, so they are going through a lot, but basically this person is very hungry for your attention, a very attention seeking person. Okay, so I do feel like this person might be younger to you, doesn't have to be, could be a Scorpio as well, but I do feel like this person is very much wanting your attention now. Okay, this person is very eager for your attention. Okay, so that's something I see. So how do they feel right now when Aries soulmate is away from them? How do they truly feel for Aries now? One card for how do they truly feel for Aries now? We have the love, that's the lovers card, 6 number. So I do feel like this person had choices between you and someone else. Okay, there could be someone else in the picture. There was a third party interference. If not romantic, I do sense interference in your love life. But I do see this person has a lot of sexual attraction towards you, a lot of strong sexual chemistry. You guys did share a good bond, even if it might have gone through ups and downs. But this person was very confused regarding this connection. Okay, so right now one card for their intentions towards Aries. Right now one card for their intentions towards Aries, please. We have Page of Air. This person is definitely stalking you. This person is definitely keeping a watch on you. This person has played mind games with you in the past. Okay, but the problem is this person was very defensive towards you in the past, wasn't very much letting you in their life. Right now I see them watching you from a distance, keeping a close watch on you. Okay, at 5 of Air, in the past, I do feel like this person might have played some mind games for your reaction or for something. Okay, with 9 of Earth, yes, this person wasn't really trying to get into a strong committed relationship. They wanted you around, but not together. You know what I'm trying to say, right? So that's something I see very strongly. One more card for what action are they wanting to take towards Aries now? What action are they possibly wanting to take towards Aries now? Eight of Fire. This person will message you. They are very much wanting to be around you and make a move towards you. Okay, so I very much feel like if they were ghosting you for the past few weeks, I do sense this person wanting to message you, communicate with you, wanting to be around you. Okay, so you guys can expect communication this week. Okay, so one card for what you can possibly expect in terms of action from your person. We have Queen of Air. Yes, you guys will communicate. Okay, this person might not be very expressive, but I do sense this person wanting to speak to you. Okay, so where is this all going to lead to, Spirit? Where is this all going to lead to for Aries and their soulmate? Where is this all going to lead to for Aries and their soulmate? One card for that, please. We have Emperor. So I do feel like you guys will have some sort of control over the connection. If you felt this connection was going nowhere, basically, I do feel like there is an opportunity for you guys to fix this connection. This person will very, very much be eager to come forward and want to, start a conversation with you and see where things go. So there is very much a possibility if you want to fix things. It's all up to you, okay? But you guys will have an opportunity, okay? So one card for what do they possibly want from you now? One card for what does the Aries possibly want from Aries? We have 10 of Earth. For some of you, this person might want to start something stable with you. I would not say commitment, but I would say that this person might want to start something, like serious with you. Okay, I would not say marriage and stuff because this is a general reading. I can't really say that, but I feel like this person will want something stable with you. Okay, with 10 of Earth, this person is very much looking forward for something serious now. Okay. For many of you, there is going to be a new person coming in, and if that new person pops in, I do So if this video resonates with you guys, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and if you are on Instagram, please come and follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. Thank you so much for listening and happy weekend. Cheers.